Don't just work for the system without learning how the system operates, without picking up what the system is putting down, fam. Because we see what's going on. I mean, if you're going to gain any freedom, if you're going to gain some generational wealth or build some generational wealth or have some peace or some financial literacy for your own life, you got to pick up what the system is putting down. Watch them. Turn yourself into an asset. You know, they love to say that essential worker. You know what I mean? Turn yourself into an asset. Well, the system needs you. You benefit off the system benefiting off you. But if you're just a regular person, the system going to replace you like it replaced everybody else. So you can be an asset to the system. But once you're an asset to the system, that's when you got to start using the system to help build your system. That's the game, fam. Don't think you're going to get a position in their system and you're going to change the way their system works. Nah, fam. All you're doing is wasting a lot of time and gaining some unnecessary headaches. Learn their system so we can build our own system, so we can get our hog on and that we can help our people. You know what I mean? Because what they're doing right now, it may seem like it's for everyone. It's not. But we have to watch what the system is putting down, fam. Don't get left behind, fam. Build your dream team while you're working for that team. Hold on.